Hello, we're going to make a video, and this video will show some instructions for running the Incisive 1310 NC launch program on the ECE Teaching Lab Linux platform. Okay, we're going to start out. I'm at a terminal window here. This terminal window could be the terminal window on your OpenNX, for which there are videos. Otherwise, you could be connecting in. This is the stage where you would be connecting in with a terminal window from your Mac, or perhaps you're using SSH and an X server on the Windows platform. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect into a Teaching Lab machine. And I'll use pl333-01.cc.lehigh.edu. Oh, forgot the most important thing. So the SSH and the -X turns on X through the SSH tunnel. Then the -L and then my user ID. I have a test user ID of X00513. Okay, hit enter. There's something called a passphrase. I have some keys. You probably don't have those. Don't worry about that. I'm just going to hit enter here. You probably will not get that message. Okay, and now I'm going to type in my password. Okay, now I've logged in. Now I'm going to do an ls on this ID. And specifically what you're going to see is there's no directory called scripts. And we're going to be making a directory called scripts. If you see a directory, if you type ls and you see a directory called scripts, you don't need to do this step. So I'm going to do mkdir. I'm going to put in a -p and then type scripts. Okay, now I do an ls and I have a directory called scripts. You may have already had a directory called scripts, and if you did, that's okay, no problem. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a change directory. So that's a cd/apps/scripts. And I'm going to hit enter. And that should take me to, I'll type pwd for present working directory, and that shows that I'm now in something called /apps/scripts. Here I'll type ls to get a listing of what's under that. And there's two directories. We're interested in Cadence, so we're going to do a change directory into Cadence. And we'll type ls. And we'll see there's a couple of Cadence products that might be of interest. We're interested in the Incisive product, so we're going to type change directory and then a capital I. And what I'm going to do is hit my tab key. You can either type out that entire thing that says Incisive 1310, or if you hit your tab key, it should, actually I have to type IN, get it enough in there so that it's unique. And then if I hit my tab key, it'll auto-complete and type it out for me. I'll type enter, and I'll type ls, and it shows me a couple of things under here. Now, what we're actually going to do is we're going to actually copy that thing called the nclaunch.sh. That's going to be an environmental shell. And so what we'll do is we'll type cp nclaunch.sh, and we're going to copy that to capital HOME/scripts, and I type the SC and the tab key, and it automatically put the actual path. I'm actually going to go back and redo that. I'm going to type capital HOME, and I'm not going to hit the tab key because I don't want to have any confusion there in the instructions. So $home, SCRIPTS, and then I'm going to hit enter. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'll type cd, and then I'm going to hit enter. That's going to take me back to my home directory. If I type pwd, You'll see I'm back in my home directory. I type ls. I see that scripts directory. I'm going to do a cd, and I'm going to go into scripts. I'm going to type ls, and you can see that shell that was copied in under the scripts directory. So what I'm going to do now, if I cat that directory, or cat that file, nclaunch.sh, it'll put the contents out there. And this is actually, what this does is this sets things up so that you can run a program called nclaunch. To get these environmental variables into your shell, your current shell that you're in, what you need to do is you need to either, and this is two ways of doing the same thing. You can type source nclaunch.sh, or the same thing would be typing a dot and then nclaunch.sh. And actually what I would do, dot space dot slash, that makes it more clear that you're, the file that you want to run. Okay, again, this dot can this very first dot can either be a dot or the word source. Same thing. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. And when I do that, there's some little statements at the end that will execute, and it just says that I've now brought those environmental variables into my shell. I'm going to hit change directory, and then or cd, and then enter. Okay, now those environmental variables are in the shell, and if I type nclaunch, and I'm going to put a space and then an ampersand, this should actually execute that program. And so I typed the nclaunch, and look what came up. Now the nclaunch entry program came up. Okay, and another thing to notice is that, and I can drag this off my screen here. Another thing to notice is that if I hit enter here, I have my $sign back. You see that prompt came back. What caused that to happen is that ampersand. If you just type nclaunch with no ampersand, your nclaunch program will run, but you won't get your $sign back. So I recommend putting that ampersand in there when you actually execute the program. Okay, so that's all there is to setting up and getting the nclaunch program to run. And thanks for listening, and I hope this was helpful.